Guess what, foodies? We're about to embark on a flavor-packed journey through Afghanistan. Buckle up those taste buds. First up, we've got mantu. Think dumplings, but with a Middle Eastern twist. Filled with spiced meat and topped with yogurt sauce. Drooling yet? Next, meet kabuli pulao. It's like rice on a joyride with lamb, raisins, and carrots. Sweet and savory, who knew they could be such BFFs? Al-shak is up third. These leek-filled dumplings are the veggie answer to mantu. It's like mantu's green cousin who went vegan. Chopin kebab. Imagine juicy lamb skewers, grilled to perfection. It's the king of kebabs, folks. On to the bolani. This stuffed flatbread comes with potato or pumpkin filling. It's like a savory Afghan pancake. Sixth dish, shorba. A comforting meat and veggie soup that's basically a hug in a bowl. You need this on a rainy day. Last but not least, shir yak. Afghan ice cream. Sweet, creamy, and perfect to cool down after feasting. There you have it, 7 Afghan dishes that will make your taste buds dance. Ready to try them all? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures.